When most people think of 3D models, they imagine surfaces. But what if you need to know what's inside? That's where voxels come in. Each voxel is more than just a block. It's a data-rich unit that captures what exists within space, not just on the outside. First, density. Is it solid rock, soft soil, or a layered mix of both? Voxel intelligence sees through every layer. Then comes ore grade. Gold, copper, or waste. Each voxel records mineral value with precision, block by block. Next, moisture. From groundwater saturation to subtle soil hydration, voxels capture the hidden flow of fluids moving underground. On top of that, they document utilities, pipelines, fiber optics, power lines, mapped exactly where they run beneath the surface. And finally, voxels reveal time, because environments aren't static. Attributes evolve, month by month, year by year, showing how landscapes, resources, and infrastructure shift across time. Multiply this by billions, and you get volumetric spatial intelligence, the key to smarter mining, cleaner energy, resilient cities, and safer planning. The future of spatial intelligence is inside the cube. The question is, are you still looking at the surface, or are you ready to see inside?